Hi, we are Katie, Kirsten, and Shannon, and we are the Core RAMP team, a research project part of King's College London. RAMP stands for the Repeated Assessment of Mental Health in Pandemics. Our aim is to investigate how the coronavirus outbreak has impacted the nation's mental health and well-being as we all experience this time of change and uncertainty together.
I'm Kirsten, a member of the Core RAMP team. To take part in RAMP, you need to be a UK resident over the age of 16 who has internet access. You can join us by going to our website, rampstudy.co.uk, and clicking the Participate button. This will take you to an online questionnaire where we'll be asking you questions about your mental, brain, and physical health, as well as your behaviours and attitudes. It should take you around 30 to 40 minutes to complete. After this, we'll send you short questionnaires every 2 weeks, or sooner if there's a major government announcement. We are ramping up our research efforts in response to coronavirus, so please join us to make RAMP a reality.
Hi, I'm Shannon, a member of the Core RAMP team. Mental health is a social issue that affects everyone, but is often overlooked. We hope that by conducting the RAMP study, we can better understand the impact of the pandemic on mental health and help to highlight the nationwide importance of this issue. We also hope to aid the government in planning better wellbeing support should another crisis arise in the future. We are ramping up our research efforts in response to the coronavirus, so join us today and help us turn RAMP into a reality.